Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this episode I am going to share with you a real life story. It was a very interesting story. I thought I would share with you. 1987 to 93, so these 6 years I was working as a teacher in a school at Porbandar. There was a company called Saurashtra Chemicals, and the school was run by that company. So I was a max teacher in that school. At that time I was little bit active in stock market, and during that time there was an Hindi teacher. His name was Mr. Dashotar. He was my good friend and he is a very smart guy. And we had a music teacher whose name was Mr. Dattani. So this music teacher, Mr. Dattani, was holding some shares in a company called Andhra Valley Corporation, I think. And he had some minor problem in that shares. And one day, my friend, Mr. Dashotar, came to me and told me, Sundar, our friend, Mr. Dattani, is having the shares. Andhra Valley Corporation, I think. And there is some minor problem in those shares. That company at that time was giving a rights issue very attractive price. I don't remember exactly those share prices. Let us say if the share price was around 50 rupees and they are giving rights issue at the rate of about 10 rupees or something like that. So what he said to me, we will propose to Mr. Dattani, total shareholding of his, the total value was about 90,000 rupees, and you factor in the rights issue, you pay the money for the rights issue, okay, you will be getting double the money. So he said, we will pay 80,000 rupees, we will ask for a 10,000 rupees discount, we can take the shares, and you pay 40,000, I pay 40,000, and we will take the shares. And then that small problem we will rectify, and then we will also apply for the rights issue, and then by the time the rights issue comes and the problem is rectified, we can hope to sell at double the price, because the rights issue was given at a very nominal price, plus we got a very good discount from our friend Dattani also. So we spoke to Mr. Dattani. He is also our friend and he was very happy. He willingly gave the shares to us. Both myself and Dashotar, we felt we are very smart. We are going to double the money in 1 or 2 months. And what happened? We rectified the mistake and it took about 3 months time. In this 3 months time, the share price has come down about 50%. So that means what we thought we will double our money in 3 months, but we did not make even a single rupee profit. Now let us come only to my part. So I invested 40,000 rupees expecting to make 80,000 in 1 or 2 months. That did not materialize. The share price has come down. It was trading around 40,000 rupees. Within few months, I got a job in Singapore. So I went to Singapore. I handed over the share certificates to my friend. My friend name is Mr. Sivan. He is working as a principal in Gujarat. There is a place called Nadiad, so he is working there. And I went to Singapore. First 2 years, I made some money. I bought an apartment in Singapore. Another 1 year I worked and I bought an apartment in Chennai. At that time, I agreed to pay the entire money to the builder within 1 month. But I had some shortage of funds and I called my friend to dispose this Andhra Valley shares. By that time, during this 3 years time, the share price has come from rupees 40,000 to 45,000. Just about 10% profit after 3 years. I told my friend to dispose it off, to send the money to Chennai to pay for the apartment. But after a few days when I called him, he said he has not disposed it. I asked him why. He said, Sundar, people say this share will go up. Then I told him the share may go or may not go. That's a different story. Number one, I bought the apartment. I have to pay the entire money within 1 month. but I have a shortage of money. Second thing, the share price goes up or not, it is immaterial for me because I cannot manage the shares. Those days, managing the shares is not that easy, not like today. You can sit in any part of the world, you can trade. Everything is online. Those days is not like that. Anyway, I'm making good money in Singapore. So I said, this capital appreciation may be immaterial for me. Then he said, Sundar, I know that you bought the shares from our friend Dattani at almost 50% discount. Now you are already working in Singapore, making good money. So can you give the same shares to me and I will pay you 40,000. The market price is around 45,000. I don't remember exactly how many shares and those things. The total value was 45,000 and my friend proposed he will pay me 40,000. He was asking for a 5,000 discount. I was willingly agreed. So he's also my good friend. I was a good friend of Dattani. He gave me at a discount. And he is my good friend and I gave him a discount. And moreover, I wanted that 40,000 to buy for my apartment. Then he sent 40,000. And believe me, my friend who bought from me in 96, until 2003, the share price was trading at the same level. The share price did not even go up by 1 rupee. And he got so frustrated and he sold the shares in 2003. And believe me, the day he sold the shares, within 3 months, the price shot up 3 times. He sold it 40,000. Within 3 months, that share's value has gone up to 1.2 lakhs. So my friend felt very, very, very bad. And the name of the company was Andhra Valley Corporation, I think. Later, I think in 2000, it was merged with Tata Power. In fact, Andhra Valley Corporation was also Tata Group company only. So later it was merged into Tata Power. So now I cannot show the chart of Andhra Valley. Now I am showing you the chart of Tata Power. Look at the Tata Power chart. I have taken the chart from NSE, so therefore I don't have it from 1993. And you can see the Tata Power share was trading around 10 rupees to 12 rupees in 94, and it is the same price. So you can see, so this is 2003 March, and it was still trading around 11 to 12 rupees only. And my friend has sold it somewhere here, and you can see within 3 months the price shot up to 35 rupees, which is more than 300%. And that is not the end of the story. Both myself and my friend were holding the share for the 10 years. From 93 to 2003, we were holding. The price did not appreciate even 5%. But what happened during the next 10 years, it has shot up from 10 rupees to 140 rupees. So this is how the stock market works. A stock may give 0 return for the first 10 years, but it can give 1500% return during the next 10 years. And this is the real life story. But another stock which I observed during the last 10 years, I'm going to show you. Look at Reliance Industries. This is supposed to be #1 company in India. You can see this is the Lehman Brothers collapse period. Forget about it. Then from here to here is almost 8-9 years. The price has never appreciated. So you can see, and so this whole period is nearly about 8 years. The price has never appreciated. But if you see this period, that is last 3 years, the price shot up from 500 to 2500. So Reliance Industries, for first 8 years, it has given 0 return. The next 3 years, it has given 500% return. So that time, during 1993, I was not a financial expert, but now I'm a financial expert, and I tell you how the bull market will work and how generally the markets will work. And markets can give 0 return for 10 years, and the next few years, it can give much more return for the entire period. So patience is a very, very important thing if you are an investor. Honestly, I can tell you, I have no patience. That is why I have chosen to be a trader. And I always say, you make money through trading, but you can only make money through trading, but you cannot create wealth by doing a trading. Wealth creation can come only through investing. So in my next video, I'll be talking about the market cycles and how the bull market will work. Thank you for watching.